Hi, thanks for coming to my channel, and today we're going to be looking at a couple of computer accessories. One is a USB 2.0 hub, and another is a RavPower power socket. I got both from Amazon, and I'll link the products below so that you can obtain them yourselves. But yeah, so if we get to the unboxing, and this is going to be really a quick unboxing, a few minutes long, so just to see what the product is like, and if you think it's something that you want to get, then you can click on the links below. But as usual, give us a thumbs up like button, or subscribe if you think the video is good, and yeah, put any comments or anything that you want to see in the future.
Counting double-digit thousands.
So if we get right to the unboxing now. So if we start off with the USB 2.0 hub, I wanted this just so that I could connect other peripherals to my devices, microphone, other webcams, SD card readers, things like that as well. So if we have a look at this, so it's from iSoul, and it's got interface, power, connectivity, protection. This is what it looks like. Side, and that's the actual product itself. So it comes with 4 USB 2.0 ports at the front, and the standard USB 2 socket. Nothing else around other than you've got a power in jack, so you can then power any peripherals using the 2.0 hubs. Nothing along the other side, and then on top you've got a little LED indication light. So that's the 4-port USB 2.0 hub. Just put that to one side, and then the other item I got was a USB power brick. I needed this to give me more power to all the devices that I want to charge. Hello magazine, a little thank you card, registration, things like that, 3-pin power socket, the kettle lead, and this is the actual power brick itself. So its output is 60 watt total, smart USB output, DC 5V, 2.4 amps max at each port. That's what it says there. Power goes in the front there. Yep, and then the 6 USB sockets at the front, and they are smart sockets as well, so they should stop charging once it knows that your device is fully charged, etc. as well. So yeah, and that's what it looks like with the RavPower symbol at the front. So yeah, so this is the unboxing of 2 of the items. As I say, I'll let you know how I get on with them, but yeah, give us a like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.